This is the DJI Mini 4K drone. It's an entry-level drone that comes in at around $200. Its weight is under 250 grams, which means you don't need the FAA 107 license to operate it. One of the features it does have for an entry-level drone is the return to home function. This function will return the drone to your landing position with the touch of a button, or if the battery runs low or the signal is lost. What it does not have is obstacle avoidance. There are no sensors built into this to avoid leaves, trees, wires, or other obstacles. As we're about to find out, this drone is going to hit this tree. Luckily, it saved itself before landing on my neighbor's car. This drone only shoots in the normal profile. The footage is okay, but you're limited with how much detail you can bring out or applying any specific look to it. Now, by accident, I set the return to home height at 400 meters. This is much higher than a drone that's not registered with the FAA 107 license should go. But it performed pretty well, and as you can see by the visuals, it's pretty stunning. Now let's take a look at some of the footage on a sunny day. In this particular flight, I was using an ND64 filter. If you're not going to use an ND filter, you can certainly get a good image. This drone has an auto or manual setting. I prefer to shoot in manual mode, where you can set your ISO, set your shutter speed, and for that, I would definitely recommend an ND filter. With a one-button click, you can have the camera face straight down. Overall, the flight controls are very easy to use for this drone. This drone is the perfect beginner drone. Between the price point, the normal color profile if you're not into color grading, and just for casual fun flying. It only takes a day or two to get used to the controls, and there are some really cool moves you can do with drones. If you are going to get a drone, I would stick with DJI. Yes, there are other brands out there, but this company is well known for the drones. You have a variety of options to choose from. It comes with an insurance plan that you can purchase to protect the drone if it gets lost or damaged. And it's just a reputable company that's been around for a while. I'd love to know what drone you're using. Have you used a lower entry point drone like this? What do you think of the footage? Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other.